core revenue streams, right? Which is selling what? So where's the bulk of the money that you're going to be focused on come from now and for the next couple of years?
Right now, we are producing Ferro-Vanadium because we convert some partners. Vanadium pentoxide, especially the high purity, the VPure Plus. Increasing the V2O3 as well, because they have the capacity to increase our sales in the aerospace and chemical by 50%, only having this material. And it's interesting because our customers are asking us that we need to have the V2O3 because they would like to have our vanadium high pure product quality in the whole vanadium needs.
So what's it?
So that's the way we are going to approach and make the results.
So that's the core focus for the next couple of years. You've got to focus on money. You've got to be making money. Okay. So and with your sales team on board, your margins, presumably your margins have increased because you're not giving it away to Glencore anymore. Can we talk through your finances? Because I think you make a big thing of the amount of cash that you've got available. I mean, how much of that is free cash, and where does it come from in terms of operations versus financing?
We have a very good cash position. Very good. We have the unique situation. By the end of last quarter, our cash position was in a range of 147 million US. It's a very comfortable situation. We have enough cash to pay all the debt with Glencore. There is some payment we have done, but we have a very comfortable situation to facing the new projects, facing this all the period with COVID. Of course, there is some impact in Europe and US mainly. China today is launching and producing steel as crazy, and we are getting advantage of that. We are selling material into China today. If you look at the price in China of V2O5, in the range of $7 per pound. It's a very strong market. And we are getting advantage of that market, which is really hot, really excited. But also, Europe and US will rescue all the industry and steel production I expect for Q4 this year. That's the way we are making good for the investors.
Okay, so I'm just looking at your presentation. You talk about Q1 20 numbers, the operations contributing, I think it's $11.6 million, but you've got $35.8 million provided by financing activities. So can you just help us understand the difference between those two?
Yeah, that's because we are positive in cash and we are getting advantage of this situation. But of course, the best investment for our cash is our operation. We have the great results, and we provide a much better results by investing in Largo and all these projects and expanding all our operation and solutions for the customer.
I was just okay, but what sort of things does it cover? Because that's a good return, given the amount of cash that you've got. $35 million is quite nice. So, what sorts of things were you doing there? Given you've paid off a big chunk of debt to Glencore, are you now debt free? Is that true?
We eventually got some cash in the market, some loans.
Right.
Just to we didn't know how COVID will impact our business. It's unpredictable situation, so we got a small portion just to be safe, and we could see that we didn't have any problem with operation sales.
Right.
So it's just to be safe.
Okay, so but you had no problems raising that loan or that debt in the marketplace because you're producing cash, and people want to give you money. Is that what you're telling me?
Yeah, that's the fact. We have a very good situation. We have cash. We And that's the perfect situation to get some money from the market when you don't need it. You get a very nice interest rates, and that's the way we did.